how to change my business address with the IRS.gov. I got tips for you guys, so stay tuned in this video and keep listening and watching to the end. Remember, don't waste your time calling them. This is only for your business, okay?
I ain't playing the league, but I know I got fame. I'm putting up scores, you know I got game. When they pointing them fingers, now who you gon' blame? I'm chasing the game, I ain't chasing the fame. Just zip up your mouth and don't say a thing. You bring too much value, don't bring a thing. When I give me some money, I'm feeding my team.
Their phone number is 1-800-829-4933. That's the IRS number. So guys, make sure you save that number in your phone if you have a business for your contact, because it's an important number actually when it comes to like updating your informations and different things with your business. Okay, so when you dial the 1-800 number, you're going to have some options. Okay, you're going to have 3 questions asked to you. So your options, I want you to dial 113. So the first question they're going to ask you, you dial 1. Then they're going to ask you another question, you dial 1. Then they're going to ask you another question, you dial 3. When you get a representative on the phone, right, you tell them that you can't find your tax ID paper and you need it for the bank. Okay. Then they're going to ask you some information, who you are, calling and trying to change information for this business or something like that. So basically, they're going to ask you tons of questions for you to verify who you are. They're going to ask you, what's your mailing address, for your business. Just give them your business address that you had on file. After you give them the address, you want to say, hey, that's an outdated address. I would like to update that. Can I do that with you? And she's going to tell you sure, or he going to tell you yes, however it go. And most of the time they're going to say sure, like, that's not a problem. So when you try to do something like that, you're going to run into like identifications, questions. So, you got to be careful for like scammers trying to like steal your, entity or anything like that. So they're going to ask you to verify with your social security number. Also, they're going to ask you, what position do you hold in the business? Like when you signed up for the business, was you the president? Are you the owner? Are you the CEO? Etc. And then they're going to ask you another question. And it goes like this. They're going to say, what year you register your business with the IRS? You tell them the year, and then they're going to ask you another question, So guys, make sure you get this correct. Like when they asking you these questions, make sure y'all get it correct, and y'all hit it right on the money. You feel me? So make sure y'all know this. They're going to ask you another question like, are you a single member LLC? Are you a multi-member? Are you a C Corp? Are you a S Corp? So you tell them what yours is. Then they're going to put you on hold and you're going to wait for a little bit. The person come back on the phone. They're going to ask you, how would you like your form? How would you like your form? Would you like it mailed to you or would you like it faxed to you? Most of the time I would prefer for you to say mail it to you. And also subscribe, like, and share this video so the YouTube can share with everybody else. All right. I appreciate you guys for your time and your patience tapping into this channel.